This is the Gulfstream G700, the jet built for billionaires. It's powered by Rolls-Royce Pearl 700 engines, making it one of the fastest private jets ever. Top speed? Mach 0.935. Range? Over 7,500 nautical miles, non-stop across continents. Inside, it's on another level. The largest cabin in private aviation, up to 5 living areas, bedrooms, showers, even dining rooms in the sky. And those windows, the biggest in the industry. Price tag? Around $75 million. The G700 proves one thing. When you fly like this, first class feels economy.